Dogecoin has been all the rage since its beginning. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? With the unpredictability and variances in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at this long period? History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the cryptographic money market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary digital currency. Bitcoin and numerous other digital forms of money are planned to the point that they have a hard stockpile cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a cordial, more congenial type of cryptographic money that could arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image. Dogecoin's cost has huge potential. With the sort of acclaim rising, Dogecoin's presence is immense contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no unique preparation. Agreeable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Packing your Dogecoin is presently simple. Thus, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the fame and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This advanced money's dynamic and ardent worth wins around an emanation of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most elevated level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there, regardless of the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the digital currency market. There is a fair future. Notwithstanding, nothing can be sure in the cryptographic money space, and that is the point at which our digital currency cost estimate comes into the image. Dogecoin's complete market cap is exchanging around $11,520,330,919 and is presently the 8th greatest computerized cash on the planet. Presently, the cost of Dogecoin is around 8 cents, with an exchanging volume of $441,037,126. The ongoing inventory is at $139,097,276,384 Doge, while the absolute circling supply is $139,097,276,384. The general digital money market capitalization has denoted a huge change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH, it denoted a gigantic fall over the long haul. Notwithstanding, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a good recuperation as of late. The Doge's cost penniless the quick opposition with practically no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the pivotal opposition of 9 cents and, surprisingly, succeeded. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin value began to exchange underneath the opposition. Specialized indicate everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on various events. Elon Musk's nonstop help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for merchandise and institutional reception has been useful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and without a doubt, financial backer feelings seeing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk declared that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise venture. Dogecoin could be one of a handful of the digital forms of money fit for being utilized as a practical cash as opposed to just as a speculative resource. As indicated by the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin may not be a wise venture, and they anticipate the Dogecoin cost to be around $0 long-term in. Conversely, the specialized examination and Dogecoin value expectation of advanced coin cost recommend that the coin will go up to 18 cents in 2023. Taking a gander at the ongoing positively trending business sector of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another record-breaking high in the forthcoming years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly additionally foresee that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin will reach $1.47 by 2030. Dogecoin forecast 2023 according to the market feeling and future cost activity. The most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 18 cents, while the typical cost may be 13 cents. And the base cost may be 7 cents in light of our cost forecast. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin expectations 2024 according to the Doge value forecast and specialized examination. The typical cost may be 22 cents in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 15 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. According to our Dogecoin cost forecast for 2025, the coin could have a most extreme and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents. In correlation, the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Doge value expectation 2026. As per the Dogecoin cost forecast, it might hit a most extreme cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. An enormous convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost consistently. Doge expectation 2027. As indicated by our Doge cost forecast, it is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which likewise is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. Going against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin conjecture 2028. Even in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, an image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin cost forecasts, the coin could arrive at the greatest worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the least conceivable cost while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2029. While the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. In view of our Dogecoin cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the most extreme and least costs of 82 cents and 57 cents. The typical cost might be around 69 cents, with a nice rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen fundamentally constantly 2030. It can't be disregarded the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a proper inflationary money, which makes it inseparable from true government-issued money. This one-of-a-kind trademark permits Dogecoin clients not to store substantial resources and bank on greater liquidity, since they effectively exchange and utilize their monetary standards. With large chunk of change driving the crypto market wave and improvements, Dogecoin's future might see a significant flood in its ongoing cost. The Dogecoin cost is supposed to hit new highs later on. Nonetheless, our venture exhortation is that financial backers should be cautious while putting resources into image coins like Dogecoin. Will Dogecoin hit $1? As per our cost expectation and examining past execution, it seems to be the cost of Doge will take a piece longer to hit $1. Be that as it may, the costs will cross the $1 mark before the year's end 2035. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Indeed, Doge is a wise speculation, according to our Dogecoin value forecast and late hopefulness after Elon Musk purchased stakes in Twitter. The most recent Dogecoin news proposes that the commitment to the ascent of the Dogecoin digital currency for the most part emerged because of Elon Musk's impact. Notwithstanding, financial backers are mentioned to do their own examination to keep away from the high gamble associated with Dogecoin. What will Dogecoin be worth in 2030? As per our Dogecoin cost expectation, the Doge costs might arrive at a